looks out of the window, staring at a sun that she can't touch.
Oh, yes.
So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Ha, ha, ha. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all.
Yeah.
But I think you're moving too fast.
Yeah, you go, girl. Oh, Seal's gonna bring it. He's gonna bring it.
A lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch.
Yes.
So he goes out, makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.